21 online jobs. Yeah, in this video, I want to share with you 21 online jobs that you can get started with right away and start earning that extra income. It doesn't matter if you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, or you just want to supplement your income. I can just wait, even myself, to get started with these 21 online jobs. Yeah, it's a good one. I started researching and looking for online jobs back in 2009, and over this period of time, I might say, yes, I have fallen into some scams that left me with no money and even more lost. I was not sure if this thing called making money online really does exist, but I don't want you to fall into the same scams. That's why I want to share with you these 21 best and legit online jobs that you can get started right away. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to Daniel Mutuku Show, where I help professionals become successful in their careers. And if this is your first time here, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell button so you can get to know each and every time I release a new video. Job number 1, taking surveys. Now, this is an entry-level online job, and you might make on average about $100 per month. And the top earners in this field take about $200 to $300 per month. All you need to have is a computer or a smartphone and access to the internet. Some of the relevant websites that you might check out would be Swagback or Online Survey Guides. Now, it is not uncommon for you to just get requested to fill out some survey, because this is how companies get to do their market research. If you don't mind, you can just click on these pop-ups, answer a few questions, and get a few dollars in your pocket. However, you will not get rich just by taking surveys, and that is why I want to share with you even more jobs. But taking that survey will just act as the anchor to make you believe that yes, you can be able to make legit, genuine money online. And that leads me to job number 2. Online job number 2 would be online writing. Now, this is one of the highest paying online jobs. On average, you will take about $52,000 per year, and the top earners in this field take almost up to $85,000 per year. Some of the websites that you can check out would be freelancerkenya.com, Upwork, iWriter, FlexiJobs, Freelancer, Textbooker, and many others. And all you need to have is good writing skills. Freelancerkenya.com, led by Walter Akolo, will help you create a profitable online writing business. Now, Walter has been an online writer and an internet marketer since 2012, and he has trained over 2,000 writers. You can get access to a free mini course for freelancers on his website, that is freelancerkenya.com. And just for you to know, this video is not sponsored by Freelancer Kenya or Walter, but I just said let me give him a shout out because he was one of the influencers when I started with these online jobs, and I will still find time and get him to the show here so that he can share with us some of the insights when it comes to online writing. It's a good one. Job number 3, and that is data entry jobs. On average, you can take about $20,000 per year. Top earners take about $32,000 per year. And some of the websites that you can be able to check out to give you access to these data entry jobs would be Fiverr.com, there's Upwork, and there's also Amazon MTech, and so many other websites. All you need to have is at least a computer and connection to the internet and your computer savvy. This is a very lucrative field because many companies and industry continue to utilize remote workers for data entry. Now, I might not be in a position to give you all the 21 jobs in this video, and that is why I prepared this guide, 21 best and legit online jobs. This is a beginner and intermediate guide to anyone who would like to make money online. So what I want to do, I want to request you to go to www.careerpoint.co.ke/online jobs. I will also drop that link in the description of this video. Go ahead and download this guide. You can be able to use it for your reference anytime you want. Now, in this guide, what are you going to get? Now, in this guide, you will get the 21 best online jobs, the average pay, and how much the top earners for each job get. You'll also get a list of relevant websites and what you need to get started for each job. On top of that, you will also get a step-by-step guide on how to find legitimate online jobs and avoid the scams. And finally, I will give you some tips on how to apply to online jobs to ensure you are successful. Again, head over to careerpoint.co.ke/online jobs and get this guide for free. Also, take a look at this video on how to get data entry jobs that will pay you by M-Pesa. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. And until my next video, I'm out.